We're gonna make happy dogs. Well, we're finally on the road after planning it March of last year, 2024. We were going to be on the road a little sooner, but since we went back home to like store our stuff, hang out with family and friends, it just took longer. Basically left Sac today and going over to the north coast. We stopped at the beginning of the trail to air down and let these guys run around. It's about a 50-mile trail, so we'll see. We're just gonna go up a mile or two, maybe a little more, to find camp for the night because it's 5 o'clock. Colors are looking cool. Well, we found like a primitive campground area where they'd usually have like a pit toilet and like a fire ring. Everywhere there was like 6 degrees off, so like no way to level out to sleep. I mean, we could have made something happen, but like 3 miles up the trail there's another one of those primitive areas. I haven't found much for just a spot to camp at. You know, open spot, everything's brush or a cliff, but we'll find some. We're at mile 8 already on the 47-mile trail. So far it's mainly easy, some big ruts, a couple things you could jump, but it'd be rough, and the lights are doing good. Trying not to blast every single big ass puddle. God, fell in. Well, we're all set up. It's time to make dinner. We're gonna make happy dogs.
Yeah.
So funny.
Yeah.
Our friend started making hot dogs with peanut butter on sourdough bread, and it is really good.
It's very good.
It's craving it all day. It's quick and easy, and he's on our bed.
He's on our chair.
Our chair. He's a psycho. Totally forgot to film what it looked like, but ate him quick. That doesn't look like much anything. You can see the moon back there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, now we're all done eating, cleaning up. Still don't know what we're going to do tomorrow. If we're going to explore out here for a long time or just get through it. Kind of fun to get to the coast. See if we even make it through night 1.
We will.
I know. Well, it's morning time. Really good. Nice, comfortable sleep. Stayed warm. The wind came in, but it wasn't too bad. Didn't last Like every 5 minutes it'd blow. Not super bright. It's supposed to be like 60 degrees today, so it's gonna be very warm compared to what we're used to. We're definitely moving spots. Even if we stay on this trail again tonight, let's get to the other side of it. See how that goes. Yeah, you guys are tied up. Kept getting bones all night, so we had to tie them up. Trying out solar. It's giving me like 2 amps, but looks like only one panel really has it, maybe 2 panels. It's breakfast time. Probably 9:30. I made some phone calls. Just got a 7-star link. Yeah, no, it's hash brown eggs, some sausage links, sourdough toast. Be good, and then we'll get going. Still just back and forth on if we finish out the trail and go somewhere else, because I don't want to be like stuck in the city because we're not sleeping in this thing in a parking lot. So let's see. We have no idea how it all is gonna go yet. But so far so good. Survived at least one night. Got a silky big boy for Christmas, and these work hella good. Dang. For a handsaw?
Yeah. That was awesome.
Because we did not bring a chainsaw.
Nope.
Tree.
Dang. Careful.
I think we're gonna use the winch for the first time. Pretty big tree.
Literally all across the entire road.
Come along it up.
All right. Got the tree out of the way and all the extra limbs.
that was good.
Yeah. Got to use the winch for the first time.
And finally.
Yeah.
I mean, I haven't had it that long, but still.
Yeah.
And it was legit. I
Yeah.
couldn't move that.
No.
Wasn't just pulling it out just to pull it out.
No.
And it almost couldn't move it on one side, move the whole truck.
Yeah. The trunk side, the trunk side wasn't moving at all. It wasn't gonna happen.
Yeah, you can get it.
You can go past. It looks really cool over there.
Only on 22 miles, and it's not even 22 miles of the actual trail. I was doing it ahead of time,
Yeah.
I think. So we'll be on this trail again today, which is fine because we didn't want to make it. We've done roughly half. Another like 10 miles, there's camp. I know it's early, but we're in no hurry.
Yeah. It's probably already early afternoon?
It's 1:50.
Yeah, 2 o'clock.
So, because I don't know how much more of that crap we got to do. We might have to do more of it.
A little bit of the car in it.
Hopefully it's not terrible mud. See if we got to use the winch again. No, there's a lot of it maybe. But
Yeah.
Ooh. Almost got stuck.
Has some muddy tires.
I know. It's tight.
Feels like we're in a blanket.
Yeah. There's a tree sticking out on the right.
There was?
Yeah, right
Oh, I
there.
see it. You're clear.
Got some AC seats. It's hot. Barely use them where we're from.
52 degrees.
It's 52 and we're like dying outside. Yeah, it's dark.
Not gonna.
Whatever.
We're used to Washington. We've lived in Washington the last 6 years, so we haven't needed to use AC seats.
Whoa.
Lord.
When I look at the sun going down toward the sky, all I want is to be there. With a new state of mind, a place I never heard of. I will walk like a nomad. I've been stuck inside my house too long. Can't stand being all alone, wasting hours on my phone. Ready to go now. On my way. I won't let fear hold me back. It's here to stay. I'm on my way. All of my dreams are now stuck with you. At the end of the world, there is something I can learn. Some good ideas will pop up with a new, different wind. I'm gonna let it take me to people that will trust me. I've been stuck inside my house too long. Can't stand being all alone, wasting hours on my phone. I'm ready to go now. On my way. I won't let fear hold me back. It's here to stay. On my way. All of my dreams
scraping our way on this damn trail. Not too bad, but
This is. As soon as you said it's not too bad, it literally got thicker.
it's definitely not the worst we've done, but I was actually gonna cut and polish and ceramic coat the truck before doing all of this. I'm glad I didn't. That would have been a lot of work for no reason. Hope this isn't for too much longer.
Yeah. Oh, water.
Oh no.
Go.
I did it and then you stopped.
Oh, I didn't realize that. Oh, there's a river. Oh, this is so cool. Is that part, wait, is that part of the trail? Is that part of the trail?
Yeah, I go up there. Found our camp spot.
Yep.
Right next to the
Creek.
that's not a river, I guess it's a creek.
Barely a river, yeah.
It's a creek crossing, which you probably just saw us go through. Part of the trail. Now you gotta watch us sometimes driving in the water, but there's signs saying that's part of the trail. Like an actual Forest Service trail, so. Yeah, trail continues up that way. I think we're gonna stay here.
Yeah.
Trying to do some work and Ellie takes my spot. He doesn't know what he's doing. But yeah. What was this? Prime rib?
Yeah.
Yeah. Fern gave us 2 cuts of prime rib. It's already cooked. It's just frozen. Make that and some potatoes tonight. It's getting really cold, so it's fire time. Which I had to get a fire permit in California to run anything stove-wise, which I guess this counts as. So. Come on. Oh, it's already warm.
Yeah, it is. Feels so good.
Some homemade Hidden Valley Ranch potatoes. We have real potatoes, but we got these for Christmas from someone. And they look like they would be awesome for instant potatoes. Got the prime rib in here. Just gonna heat it up and get it to 130 and just hold it there for like 30 minutes. Got the howl going on like medium. You can feel it all the way. It's nice. I'm under the truck here. It's off to the side. It's not directly underneath like the overhang. But then I'm standing over in the middle of the tailgate and just the warmth radiates up in here. It's pretty nice. And it dries stuff quick. We're trying to dry this towel we just washed our hands with. Someone's comfy. You too shy?
Yes, she is.
You're not.
Nope.
Alright. Got prime rib, some ranch potatoes, and some sourdough. Toasted
Garlic
up.
bread, sorry.
Yeah, garlic sourdough. I did the garlic bread. Nice sear on those. Basically just nice ribeyes at this point. The moon just came out over the mountains. Looks pretty cool. Also got really windy, but it's warm. so it feels just fine. I think the wind's scaring him. Or he's just tired. Ellie's already in bed. She couldn't make it. Huh. But we finished dinner, cleaned everything up, and I think we're gonna go to bed soon. It's 7:30, but it gets dark so early, I can't really do a ton. And then probably just wake up early, maybe for sunrise, 'cause it's gonna rise over those mountains too. But we may just leave earlier to get out and go into town or something too. We need paper towels. We forgot paper towels and it's been the worst. Except we found some towels that we forgot we had, like these Norwegian towels or something, Swedish towels.
Send them from Costco.
They're from Costco. Work pretty good. Forgot coffee on our last trip. It's kind of older now, but that's what we ended up getting. Put our vanilla bean in first. Hopefully they're good. All right, let's try it. It's warm. Pretty good. Tastes less and less like camping coffee, which I do not like. That flavor, every camp coffee has a certain flavor. I don't understand why. First chop with the new Benchmade knife. Oh. Definitely looks like I've never used this before. It's so sharp, it wants to cut into that. Breakfast is served. Got sausage, eggs, hash browns with sour cream and green onion, and then sourdough bread with some jam.
Apricot jam.
Yeah, probably have some ketchup. So it'll take about 10 minutes to fill this 3 gallons with this thing. But it's free water. Just sitting here halfway in the stream. And
crazy times, can't you feel it? Is there a reason for it all? Maybe take a ride on this pipe train. Hold it in, wait for it, here come the fall. Oh, your mind's been spun into a web. Is the spider gonna catch 'em all?
I only made it to a sort of quick trail, or section of the trail, but
Woo!
you gotta watch out for stuff like that.
Yep. Good job.
Yeah, and these whole little jump bumps, no way, like, that'd be so harsh to actually lift off. We kind of did on a couple. Like, this is just, yeah. But I also don't really want to jump this thing anymore until I get a rear bump kit, which I still don't have. I'm just way too much now.
Do it again on this, probably.
Yep. You hear the scraping?
Yeah.
I mean, let's see if we can hear it on the mic, but pretty fun trail. It's a rough trail, but not like gotta go super slow rough. Well, in some spots, but
Yeah. Not too bad.
Ooh, what is this? Woo! Glad I stopped.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You got plenty of room on the right.
What?
You got plenty of room on the right.
Not at all.
Nope. You're
Still, I'm
top.
glad I didn't blast into it without looking at it.
Yeah, I agree. Nice.
Look at this thing. Not doing that. There's no, that's probably so deep. There's trees sitting into it. It's got to be so deep.
Yeah.
It's gonna be bad enough to go through this, maybe? No.
No. As far as fine. Yeah, there's trees in the middle of that, so.
Sorry I got you wet.
It's okay, I knew what I was getting myself into.
Yeah, this stuff's wet.
Yeah. It's a little muddy.
It was almost like there was ice in that first one.
Really? No.
Yeah, because it like crumbled over the truck. I had this on, so we'll see.
Yeah.
Oh. When it's wet.
I'm sure.
Jeez.
Almost. There you go.
Oh,
there you go.
Jesus. Yeah. Sorry. You guys are holding on pretty good.
They're tied in.
Well,
Those harnesses doing.
Yeah.
Their harnesses are doing well.
They're tied in. Well, they got a harness on, and then they're actually lashed to the truck on like a little bit of a bungee lash.
Yeah.
But Ellie puts her head against the seat and hold herself.
Yeah.
And he just goes with it.
Yeah. She's been riding in the car with us like this longer than he has.
Oh, way longer.
And he does better than her. She tries to crawl into the front seat with us. Oh, jeez.
Kind of see it down there. I think that's the upper lake or upper side of Clear Lake. We're so close yet so far away. You can still see Clear Lake, Upper Lake. You stop for lunch, let these guys run around.
Every single campground we've stayed at so far in California, there's been a deer leg or some sort of deer bone that our dogs have found. They've never found that many dog bones. Or deer bones.
Just bones.
In Washington. Or just bones in general, yeah.
Well, made sandwiches, already done. Never good at showing what we made, just afterwards and before.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no, we were pretty hungry and we needed that. It's 2. I think it's like 12 to 15 miles to the end of the trail. We're going to try to rush through that. We're going to break into our emergency Red Bulls.
Yeah.
We were a daily Red Bull drinker, basically. So we're trying to cut that. I'm feeling kind of tired today. So, push through to there, and then we'll see how long it is to the town. Whether we drive down to it tonight, get stuff, and then come back. Because the biggest thing is we need is paper towels. We forgot to bring them. It's always terrible when we forget those, and it's been a few days without them now. Yeah, we want to get this trail done. It's just taking forever with all the getting out, moving stuff, and filming while you're driving too. But it's been cool. Mm-hmm. Definite cool, like first little trip to take. Mm-hmm. But then after this, it's to the coast. Whether we take a trail there or not, I don't know. Debating still. Fresh water, though.
A little bit of a spring. Yeah, there's actually a spring that went through it. Nice.
Ooh, dip.
Yep.
Can only go fast for like 2 seconds on this trail.
Yep. It's just the one log on the right here, so. Go left a little bit. All right, you're clear.
Grab the last one.
Perfect.
Finally made it to the end. It's weird, normally Onyx doesn't like mark paved roads, but the beginning of this trail is 5 miles paved and it looks like it's like 10 miles paved to leave. Better be paved because I'm airing up all the way. It's 3:45. I think we'll make it go down and go to town. Yeah. Tired? Yeah, we're gonna go to town and get our stuff. Hopefully can fill propane, which I don't think is gonna be very low, but I want to fill it. Probably get fuel just cause I only use a quarter tank this whole time, and then yeah, I don't know. Get paper towels.
Yeah.